Lake Erie Speedway for our first event of the year. This is our spring mats event, and we're doing our initial setup for tech, right? So we have to make sure that all of these cars are safe, well, as safe as they can be, because we can't control how they're driving, right? So when a car comes into tech, we're going to do the second one because this is Pro Spec Tech. It already meets all of our stuff. We're going to move to the blue one. How you doing? Good, good. So when they come in, they'll usually just open up all their doors, hood, trunk, make sure that we have the ability to kind of climb in, because I don't like to walk up and like open people's doors because I don't know if they're going to fall off or if it sticks or has any cracks, right? So let's walk over here. First and foremost, we'll check the engine bay here. Make sure there's no leaks, right? I don't see anything super wet or dripping or anything to that nature. You have a positive terminal here that has a cover on it. Good to go. All right. And then we have a front tow hook. We need to make sure that the tow hook's there. We check all 4 lug nuts, or 5. I'm used to 4. Good, good. Okay. Good. And good. Okay, so all lug nuts are on. Can't have any missing ones. Then we come into the interior. We check the helmet. We look at the sticker on the inside, SA 2020, so that is in compliance. And being that he's been here before, he already has the helmet sticker on. So that's good. Got to make sure he has a fire extinguisher in reach of the driver while still buckled in. That checks. And the arrow is in green, so that's good. And then just for safety measures, even though the passenger, that one has a little bit of movement to it, but it's on sliders, so that one's pretty good. Come back to the trunk. Then you can see his batteries here. Get a little bit of a reach in there. It has a cover on it, and that thing is solid. That's what you like to see. Whoa, cool, clear floor, dude. That's awesome. Can I open this door? Okay. Yeah. All right, so these good. Okay, good. And then we check the driver's seat. Make sure the driver's seat is nice and sturdy, which it is. Good. All right, he should be good. Yeah, all set. This one passes tech, flying colors. If all of our drivers could just follow the rules like him, we'd be so much better off. But we fail every now and then, a few of them at a time. The biggest thing that is a huge hang-up for these drivers is positive terminal cover always gets people, a loose battery, because they need to have a metal tie down, not a plastic tie down, and no rubber straps, right? So we're out there, we're driving quick, we're slashing side to side. We don't want that battery to, come loose in the trunk. So, but yeah, he passes flying colors, and that's pretty much what we look for. It's pretty down and dirty, pretty quick and easy. So that's our fly through of tech.